Classes are an attribute within HTML and a selector in CSS, which allows us to style the element independently from other elements in the same tag. For example, we may only want one of our headings to be in blue. Here is an example of a heading 2 on my page, followed by a paragraph, then another heading 2, and another paragraph. In my HTML, I'm going to give my heading 2 the attribute class, and then between the speech marks, I'm going to give it the value highlighted. In my style sheet, I'm going to use a new selector. If I want to select a class, I need to put a period and then the name of the class. In this case, highlighted. In the declaration, I'm going to give it the property background color and the value cyan. If I go to my browser, I can now see that the website highlights my first header 2 element where I gave it the highlighted class. If I now go back to my HTML and give my paragraph the same class, highlighted, when I view it in my browser, it also shares the same styling. I can give my classes to as many elements as I want, and they will all share the same design. I'm going to give my heading another class and call it light. This goes between the speech marks of my class attribute, but separate from my other highlighted class. In my style sheet, I'm going to create the new class light, remembering to put the full stop before the selector name, in this case light. And I'm going to give it the property color and the value white. Now on my web page, you can see both classes are functioning together for my h2 tag, where I gave them both the class highlighted and the class light.